AI-generated art, the future of creativity? The world of art has always been a reflection of our collective imagination and innovation. As technology evolves, so too does the canvas upon which creativity is expressed. Welcome to the era of AI-generated art, a revolutionary merge of algorithms and aesthetics that challenges traditional notions of creativity. Imagine entering an art gallery where every piece has been conceived not by human hands, but by intricate coding and artificial intelligence. These creations, pulsating with vibrant colors and innovative designs, provoke thought and evoke emotions, just as traditional artworks do. Yet the question arises, can a machine truly understand beauty and creativity, or does it merely mimic human expression? AI-generated art is crafted through sophisticated algorithms that learn from existing artworks, analyzing patterns, styles, and techniques. This intelligent process enables the AI to create unique pieces, often blurring the line between human creativity and machine learning. With each brushstroke simulated by data, new forms of artistic expression emerge, presenting an exciting challenge to the current artistic landscape. The debate surrounding AI art also ignites discussions about originality and authorship. As machines produce artwork, who owns the rights to these creations? Are they a product of the coder's creativity? Or does the AI itself exhibit a form of originality? As we navigate these uncharted waters, artists and technologists alike are compelled to redefine what it means to create and appreciate art. Critics of AI-generated art express concerns that it may undermine the human touch that defines traditional creativity. However, proponents argue that this technology can serve as an innovative tool, enabling artists to push the boundaries of their craft. By integrating AI into their creative processes, artists can explore new possibilities and overcome creative blocks, using the machine as a collaborator rather than a competitor. Looking ahead, the future of creativity is undoubtedly intertwined with advancements in AI. As this technology matures, we may witness the emergence of entirely new art forms, reshaping cultural landscapes. Art influenced by AI may soon become a standard medium for expression, inspiring future generations of artists to blend human intuition with machine precision. The result could be a richer, more diverse tapestry of creativity that celebrates the unique interplay between human and artificial intelligence. AI in music. Composing the future. As technology rapidly evolves, the influence of artificial intelligence, AI, on music composition becomes increasingly profound. Imagine a world where songs are crafted not just by human hands, but also by intelligent algorithms that analyze patterns and emotions. This groundbreaking merger of creativity and technology not only enhances the creative process, but also challenges traditional perspectives on what it means to be an artist. At the forefront of this revolution, AI can generate melodies, harmonies, and rhythms that resonate with listeners on a fundamental level. By analyzing vast databases of existing music, AI models identify trends and styles, enabling them to compose original pieces that reflect familiar genres, yet incorporate innovative elements. These AI compositions can evoke feelings ranging from nostalgia to excitement, seamlessly merging the emotional depth of human music making with the limitless possibilities of technology. The collaboration between musicians and AI presents astonishing opportunities for exploration and experimentation. Artists can input their musical ideas into AI programs and receive suggestions or variations that push the boundaries of their compositions. This synergy fosters a creative environment where human intuition and AI's analytical prowess coexist, resulting in compositions that might not have been possible through traditional methods alone. Such partnerships can lead to fresh sounds and genre-blending styles that redefine musical landscapes, inviting listeners to experience music in new dimensions. Moreover, AI aids in the democratization of music creation, allowing aspiring musicians to produce quality compositions without extensive training. With user-friendly AI tools, individuals can transform their musical visions into reality, stimulating innovation and a diverse range of musical expressions. This shift encourages a broader spectrum of voices and stories to emerge, enriching the global music scene while fostering an inclusive atmosphere for artists from various backgrounds. However, the rise of AI in music composition raises significant discussions about creativity, authorship, and the future role of human musicians. As algorithms continue to evolve, one question remains central. Can AI truly replicate the complex emotions embedded in human expression? While AI-generated compositions are undoubtedly striking, many argue that the human touch, intuition, and emotional depth are irreplaceable elements that give music its profound impact. In conclusion, the integration of AI in music composition symbolizes not only technological advancement, but also an exciting future where creativity flourishes through collaboration. This fusion of human artistry and machine intelligence presents an unparalleled opportunity to explore the uncharted territories of sound, ultimately reshaping how we create and experience music for generations to come. AI-powered writing. Can machines write? In today's digital landscape, the question arises, can machines truly write? The rise of artificial intelligence has transformed various sectors, and writing is no exception. Recent advancements in natural language processing have enabled machines to generate text that not only conveys information, but also mimics human-like engagement and creativity. The journey of AI writing began with algorithms capable of generating basic content. These early machines produced simple newsletters or product descriptions that, while functional, lacked depth and nuance. However, as technology evolved, so too did the sophistication of AI. With the integration of deep learning and vast datasets, machines began to learn the intricacies of language, grammar, and style, enabling them to produce remarkably coherent and contextually relevant text. Today, AI can compose poetry, craft compelling stories, and generate informative articles. This creative ability raises questions about the nature of authorship and originality. If a machine creates a piece of writing, who owns it? While AI-generated content can be impressive, it often lacks the emotional depth and personal experiences that characterize human writing. The subtle nuances of irony, humor, or sentiment can sometimes elude the grasp of AI, making the text feel mechanical rather than authentic. As AI continues to evolve, it becomes increasingly capable of supporting human writers rather than replacing them. Many professionals utilize AI tools for brainstorming, editing, and enhancing their writing processes. These tools can analyze vast amounts of data, suggesting trends and providing insights that human writers can harness to improve their work. Through collaboration, human creativity and AI efficiency can coexist, resulting in more enriched content. However, the ethical implications of AI-powered writing are complex. As machines mimic human styles, the concern for copyright infringement and the spread of misinformation arises. AI content generation must be approached with caution, ensuring that it works as an assistive technology rather than a deceptive one. This responsibility falls not just on developers, but on all users who adopt AI in their writing. In conclusion, while machines can indeed write, the essence of writing, empathy, experience, and deep understanding of the human condition remains uniquely human. The future lies not in choosing between man and machine, but rather in embracing collaboration that enhances the art of writing itself. With careful consideration, AI can be a powerful ally in the creative process.